So today I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell Bitcoin, also USDT, using Noones.com. So let's get started. Okay, so you go to Noones.com, you select the three dot icon by the left side, you click on P2P, you select search, then you click on buy crypto, you select the currency you want to buy, click on USDT. If it's Bitcoin, you click on Bitcoin. Then you scroll down, you select the payment method that you want to buy from. So I'm going to select bank transfer. So you select the amount you want to buy. So I'm buying 30,000 just for experiment. So you select the currency. You can buy from different currency, but I'm buying with Nigerian currency, NGN. So you select your currency, you select the all countries, so that you can see different offer from different countries. So you select all countries. Then you click on apply. So here are the available vendors. So I'm buying from this guy because actually I usually trade with this guy, so he's online, so I'm going to buy from him. But one thing you have to check the rating, the reviews of the vendor. So you have to scroll down through his profile before you buy. So you check his profile, as you can see. You scroll down, so you check the vendor's profile and see his rating and see the vendor's rating. One thing I normally I go to the feedback to check if the vendor has any negative feedback, and if also the vendor has traded recently. So I can select on filter, check negative feedback. As you can see, there's no negative feedback, so I'm going to buy from this vendor. So I will click on accepted bank. I'll click on the bank that I want to pay to. Then I click on continue, and then the chart of the trade window is going to open right now. So once the trade window open, you are going to message the vendor to see if the vendor is online. So I will just ask, are you online? And wait for the reply. Yeah, of course the vendor is online, so I've got his account number, so I'm going to make a transfer to him right now. So I'll open my GT Bank and then I'll make the transfer. So as soon as I'm done, I click on paid. Then some vendors will ask you to upload proof of payments, but I don't think this vendor will ask me for proof of payment because I've traded with him before. So I will just wait for him to confirm the payment and release the coin. Our trade is successful. Now I got the coin. This is how I buy the coin USDT. So now if you want to sell, you click on the three dot icon by the left too. You go to P2P, then you click on search and select sell crypto. Then you select the currency. So I'm selling USDT. Select bank transfer, then you put in the amount you want to trade, that you want to sell to. So So after putting in the amounts, you select the currency. So I'm selling to South African rand. So I select South African rand. Then you put all countries. Then you click on apply filter. And then these are the available vendors. Mostly these first vendors, they have good rates to compare to the others. So I'm selecting this guy here. So if I sell, let's say I will trade 300. So if I trade 300, I will pay 325.76 rand and get 300 rand. So I'm selecting the payment option that I want to receive the money to, the bank I want to receive the money to. So I'll select the bank and click on continue. So I'll wait for the vendor to respond. So once they make the payment, I'm going to confirm it and release the coin. But you have to make sure that you receive the payment before you release the coin. So you have to go to your bank app to confirm that the payment has been made. Then you can now release the coin to them. So I've confirmed the payment. So I will go back to the trade and send the data. Then I'll put in my code to confirm the payment. That's how I sell the coin. So I've confirmed the payment, so the trade is completed. This is how I buy and sell crypto. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe. See you on the next one.